Hi loves and welcome back to my channel. We have a very exciting video today, and that is I ordered a mystery box from Japan. Now I am obsessed with Japan. It's in my top destinations I would love to travel. You know, the world situation, not as easy to travel. I decided to use Alice's personal shopping service. Hi Alice if you're watching. Alice is also a luxury YouTuber. She has the most gorgeous pink Chanel and Hermes collection. So I will link all of her details below, but in addition to creating some amazing content, she also has a personal shopping service. So I will link her personal shopping page below as well. In addition to sourcing items for you, she now and again offers these like mystery boxes that I have no idea what's in here, so I just like took the brown paper off because it had my shipping labels and stuff like that, and you know, not going to put my address on the internet, and I just kind of cut it open so that this would be very easy. But I have not peeked in here, and this arrived 3 days ago, and I am going absolutely nuts because I can't wait to see what's inside. I'll just read off quickly the packages she offers. She offers the cute package for 10,000 yen, the grande package for 15,000 yen, the Luxe package, which is what I took, at 20,000, which equates to about like just a little over 200 US dollars with the shipping and everything. And then the finest package at 25,000 yen. On her page, there's a little questionnaire you fill out before she goes mystery shopping for you. I'll pop it up here. Loves. So I put Sakura, Starbucks, stationery, cute things, hair bows, and headbands. Because she gave the examples of like roses, Sakura, Disney, Starbucks, etc. So I just kind of put like all the cute things that I love. Favorite colors, I put pink, rainbow, and pastels. Favorite print, I put ombre or floral. Favorite brand, not familiar with the brands, but anything pink and girly. So I'm sure she found something great because we have quite similar styles. So I kind of left that in her hands to choose for me. Characters, I said Hello Kitty and her friends, cute dogs, and princesses. Just like really cute things. Do you wear makeup? Yes. Hobbies? Guys, this is gonna sound so shallow, but I put afternoon tea, shopping, and collecting handbags. Because she has quite a girly style, and so do I, so I kind of wanted to play towards that girly side of my style. I didn't want to go into like 18 different things that I love and enjoy, so I thought like keeping it simple and like just putting a few of like the girly things I like to do would make the box a little bit easier to shop for, rather than saying, you know, like I like to go to the beach and, you know, XYZ. So, and extra info. I said I collect cute pins and stickers, and I would love a pink blush or a lipstick because I would love to try some makeup from a Japanese brand. Only other detail I gave her is I said please don't put any food in there just because it can get caught up in customs over here. So just to be safe, she usually would include like some tea or some food or something like that, like some sweets. But just to make sure we didn't have any issues with customs, I asked her, you know, please just don't send any food, which it's so annoying because I would love to try some food from there. I love trying foods from different countries all over the world, but I just wanted to make sure that the box got here safe and sound, and it did. So let's just get right into this. I'm just going to set it on my lap, and you guys are going to see my reactions as I unbox this. So here is the box. It's stuffed with some pink tissue paper. Oh my goodness, it's so pink, you guys. I can already see the pink. Let's get into this. So I've just pulled out this really cute pink headband. Oh my god, you guys, like how cute is this? Like actually, I think I should just switch my headband out right now. Perfect with my dress. I'm obsessed with headbands, and this is so super cute. Let's see what this is. Everything's really well packaged, I will say that. Like, I thought maybe the box is a little small, but I can see she just really packed it well, so I think there is going to be a good amount of product in here. Please excuse me if I say any of the brands wrong. Feel free to correct me in the comments. I'm going to do my best. I think this is Anasu, which I have heard of this brand before, but more so for fashion, right? How cute is this little blush? So she did add a pink blush for me, which is so amazing. I really wanted to try a blush from a Japanese brand, and I will keep you updated on my stories. I will try this out, so make sure you're following me on Instagram. I will definitely show you how this makeup works out for me. See what's in here. Oh wow, look at this packaging. It's so beautiful. I just appreciate how like detailed and pretty things from Japan are. Like, every little detail is just in order, and it's seriously my dream to just go like makeup shopping and like stationery shopping there. Oh, so this is where you put the blush. Oh, I thought this was something different. Okay, so this is really cute. It's a refillable blush. Like, that's very like environmentally sustainable. You don't have to buy the packaging every time. I really love that. So I don't know where I could ever get a refill for this, but I'm sure I could place an order with her shopping service again in case I really love this. So that is really beautiful, and even just as like a decor piece on my makeup station, this is gonna look so nice. Next we have, I think I know what this is, because she's always getting the cutest items from Starbucks. Starbucks in Japan gets the most beautiful limited edition pieces. So I'll just unwrap this quickly and then continue on. Wow, look how cute this is. It is literally my dream in life to go during the, I know I'm gonna say it wrong. I hear people say it either Sakura or Sakura. I'm not really sure what the correct pronunciation is. Japan during that season is literally on my bucket list. I have to do that one day in my life, and this just brings a little bit of that feeling to my everyday life. And I make my own iced tea at home all the time, and I take it out when I have appointments, so this is just a really beautiful item for that, and I'm really excited to use this. This is so gorgeous. So next we have something really cute and rainbow. We have a tiny mini shopping tote. She knows I love like rainbow things, so this is perfect for my style. I don't know what brand this is. I'm guessing it's Ratty, and it says, "For you who want to become lovely," and it feels really well made. I'm really impressed with the quality. It's a nice like thick material, so it seems like it'll hold up well, and this is like perfect if you just want an extra cute lunch bag. This is just one of those lovely little pieces that you just see and you smile. So next we have, oh, how cute. This is Sakura bath salts and body soap, and it looks like it's got like a little loofah in here. So this is perfect because I love to take baths. Show you in the packaging before I open it. But it looks like a cute little travel size. Sakura and peach, and it just looks like a cute little travel size. This will be something I'll use when I take like a nice bubble bath or something. Really like special piece. And it comes with a tiny little travel loofah, so this is a perfect little travel set that if you're going somewhere you can just make the experience extra special. Let's smell it and see what it's like. Oh wow. It's like similar to rose, but not as overwhelming. Like, I'm actually allergic to rose, so this is, I think, a much better solution. Like, I can usually handle like peony or lavender, and this is like, oh, it's so nice. Like, it's so hard to describe. I'm really not good at describing smells, but it's like a lighter floral kind of smell, and you can definitely smell the peach as well. So it's a good blend of like a fruity and a floral. Next we have this rose paper soap, which looks like a really cool concept, but I am allergic to rose, so I think I'm gonna give this to my sister-in-law and ask her how it works when she tries it. But it's so cute, and I love this concept. I've never seen paper soap before. I wonder if this is like a common thing to have in Japan. It seems like a quite convenient packaging to just keep in your handbag and use on the go. So I would be really interested to know if you've ever used paper soap before and like how it's kind of used in day-to-day life, because I've actually never seen paper soap. So next we have fragrance, cool, and powdery sheets. So I'm guessing these are like little hand wipes like that you can keep in your bag. I'm not entirely sure, but I think so. They look like just little like refreshing towelettes like you would get at a fancy restaurant. These look like they would smell really good, so I'm gonna open them up and see what they're like. Here is the little package that was inside the package. And let's just open up and have a smell. I don't want to waste one, so I don't want to like take it out, but I'll just smell it. Oh my goodness. Wow. They smell so delicious. They're like, oh, they're like candy. Wow. These smell so good. They're not just your standard little like hand wipes you get from the grocery. These are definitely like a very special smell, like something that's not as common that you will come across. So I'm going to enjoy these so much and keep them in my handbag. So next we have a lip comfort oil from Clarins. It's a limited edition, so I'm guessing this is one you can only get in Japan because I am familiar with the brand Clarins. I've tried out some of their other products, but I've never tried any of their lip products. I know them more for like skincare. Oh my God, look at this color. This is so me. If I did not have a lipstick on right now, I would totally put this on. This is so beautiful, and it has the flowers on the lid. It has a light scent, but it's one of those that's not too overwhelming. It's like just right. Oh my goodness, this is so beautiful. This one I know I would just get so much use out of. Let's see. Next we have a peach milk essence mask. I really wanted to try some like skincare and makeup and stuff because I just love makeup and skincare from other countries because you just get such different things. Like every time I travel, that's one of the things I do. I love to pop into like local like pharmacies and little small shops if I go into like a local mall when I travel and just see what cosmetics they have there. So I'm really excited to try that. This one has vitamin E, collagen, hyaluronic acid, and arbutin. I've never heard of that. I try to be good about skincare and like kind of know my stuff, but I don't know everything, so I will look into what that is, but I will definitely be enjoying this sheet mask. And then there is, oh, there's another mask. This is also a vitamin E, collagen, and hyaluronic acid Pure Smile Essence Mask. This one looks like it's probably like a strawberry one. So I will definitely give this one a go-to and see how it is. There's something wrapped very nicely. Let's see what's in here. Oh my goodness, they're earrings. Handmade accessories. Let me get it out of like the pretty little paper. I love earrings. Oh my God, they're so pretty. Look at these. Oh my goodness. I'm actually a tiny bit skeptical with how tiny the box was. I'm like, what could possibly be inside that's like worth the price tag? But all of these items are so nice and so me. Like I feel like she really paid attention to all the answers that I gave. Like how cute will these be on? Like even with my dress today. These are so beautiful. It says they're handmade as well, which is so special. I love little pieces like this to wear with my floral dresses, so I can't wait to start wearing these. And then we have a pouch with a sheet case. So it looks like the little hand sheets are, oh wow. This is like, when you open it up, it's like a makeup bag, and then there's another section here that you can put the little wipes in. So I think this is supposed to go inside of here. So you have the little towels on one side, and then you have your makeup in the other section. Like, I've never seen anything like this. Actually, this makes so much sense. Like, this is the most practical makeup bag if you're like, if you've got a tote bag. If you've got kids, like, can you imagine you've got your little like hand wipies in here, you've got, you know, whatever else you need to clean them up in here. So practical, and this will look so beautiful with my makeup. I really love this idea. I'm gonna put it in and see how it looks. And then you zip it up, and then you can open from here and then open your wipes from there. My mind is blown. This is just so practical. Like, I don't know why more makeup bags don't come like this. I don't use makeup wipes, but I like to have something like to clean my hands and stuff. Like if you're doing makeup on the go really fast and touching up and stuff, it's good to just have a hand wipe to wipe up after. or just in general if you need one throughout the day. This is a really great makeup pouch to keep like in your tote bag or your work bag. And how pretty is this? Look at the pattern. It's so pastel and beautiful. Wow, I'm really impressed. Oh, so it looks like she wrote a note. It looks like I opened the box upside down. Of course I did. That would be something I would do. Dear Morgan, thank you so much for supporting the little pink box. It really means a lot. Curating this box and filling it with pretty things I think you'll love has been such a pleasure. I hope you like my choices. I love your Instagram and really enjoy following you for your style and personality. Stay fabulous. Gorgeous and beautiful. Much love, Alice. Oh, Alice, you're so sweet. Thank you so much. And guys, please go follow her and check out her content. If you like my content, you're definitely gonna love her content. She has really amazing vlogs about life in Japan. So if you're interested in Japan like I am, you can get a taste of her life there through her vlogs and check out her amazing bag collection and unboxings and style advice. Thank you, Alice, for like such a sweet note. That's really nice of you. I hope it's okay that I shared it. But you guys, really, this was such an experience, and I really feel like if you're missing traveling, something like this that brings a little bit of another country to you where you are is a really special way to just kind of like mix up the everyday. Love to do some more of these boxes. If you know anyone else who does these types of mystery shopping boxes in other countries, please let me know. I would love to order from them. Let me know what you thought. Is Japan on your travel wish list as well? Because I am just obsessed. Or are there any of these items that you just like really loved as well? Also remember, she can source things for you. So know that when like Starbucks does their collections, she orders for people that aren't based in Japan. So you can shop those types of items through her. You don't always have to go and get a mystery box. If there's anything you're wanting from Japan and you can't really get your hands on it, she can definitely help you with that. Check out all of her socials and pages linked below and get in contact with her. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really enjoyed making this video. I hope you enjoyed it too. If you did, please give it a like and don't forget to subscribe. I usually do more videos on luxury handbags, fashion, and lifestyle, so if that's your thing, I would love to have you here. You can follow me on Instagram. I will be trying out that makeup that was in the box and posting it on my stories there. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye!